In this video, you will learn how to create an archival institution record in AtoM. The archival institution record in AtoM is based on the ISDIA Data Content Standard, in the same way that an authority record is based on the ISAR standard, and an archival description record is based on the ISAD-G standard. Being standards-based is a strong feature of AtoM. There are many elements you can use to describe your archival repository. These elements are grouped into 6 areas in ISDIA and also in AtoM. These areas are Identity Area. Here you uniquely identify your repository and give access points. Contact Area. Here you give information on how to contact your repository. Description Area. Here you give the history, structure, and collection policies of your repository. Access Area. Here you give the hours of operation, access restrictions, etc. Services Area. Here you give information about technical services offered. And Control Area. Here you explain how information about your repository is created and maintained. There are only 3 obligatory elements in ISDIA and in AtoM. We will look at each in turn. The first obligatory element is identifier, which is found in the identity area. The rule in ISDIA is record the numeric or alphanumeric code identifying the institution with archival holdings in accordance with the relevant international and national standards, and there is an example shown. Second obligatory element is authorized form of name, which is found in the identity area. The rule in ISDIA is record the standardized form of name of the institution with archival holdings, adding appropriate qualifiers, for instance, dates, place, etc., if necessary. Specify separately in the rules and/or conventions used element which set of rules has been applied for this element. And there is an example shown. All other elements in the identity area are optional. These include other forms of name and type. And there is an example shown. The third obligatory element is location and address found in the contact area. The rule in ISDIA is record the locations for public access to the institution with archival holdings, street address, postal code, city, province, county or state, country, etc. Indicate any other relevant addresses, for example, addresses of other facilities. Also record the electronic address used by the institution, for example, the URL of their website. Please see the example on the screen. All other elements in the contact area are optional. These include telephone, fax, and email. And there's an example on the screen. All elements in the description area are optional. These include history, geographical and cultural context, mandates, sources of authority, administrative structure, records management and collecting policies, buildings, holdings, finding aids, guides, and publications. And there's a detailed example on the screen. All elements in the access area are optional. These include opening times, access conditions and requirements, and accessibility. There's an example on the screen. All elements in the services area are optional. These include research services, reproduction services, and public areas. And there's an example. Finally, all elements in the control area are optional. These include status, level of detail, dates of creation, revision, and deletion, and languages. Please see the example on the screen. Now we'll have a demonstration of how to enter an institutional record in AtoM. First, click on the Add button on the top menu. In the Identity area, enter the code for the institution, the authorized form of name for the institution, and the type of institution, which you can choose from a drop-down menu. There are many fields in each area in AtoM that you can select from, but you don't have to enter data in every field. In the Contact area, click on the Add New button and enter information in fields in the small subscreen. You can click on the tabs in the subscreen to get more fields for data entry. This area will give information to members of the public for how to contact your archives. Next, you can click in the description area and enter information about the repository, such as its history. As you can see, there are many fields to choose from in each area. Then click on the Access area and you can give information such as opening and closing hours of the repository. In the Services area, you can give information about the services that the repository provides. As you can see, a little pop-up menu appears giving you guidance about what to enter in a field whenever you hover over it. You can type data directly into AtoM, or you can copy and paste from a text or Word document. Next, click on the Control area. Here you can give information about the level of detail and languages. In the Access Points area, you can select access points that apply to the repository. When you're done, click the Create button at the bottom of the screen. And as you can see, you've created an institutional record for your archives. You can always go back in and edit the record at any time.